Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today is Wednesday, and I normally call it Wacky Wednesday, but for the last week or so, we've just been doing recipes that we can use as gifts for Christmas and not really worrying about what day of the week it is. But I think today's might actually qualify as wacky to some people. I think I've actually tried this before. It's a coffee rub. So this is perfect for somebody you have on your shopping list for Christmas that likes to grill and they love coffee. I don't know, I let my husband do the grilling. I do love coffee though. And this is super easy to do. So we're gonna get started. Oh, before I get started, if this is your first time here, my name is Sherry, and if you love food and fun like I do, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and check the description below. You can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so really easy. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of sea salt. And I like to use the coarse, but all I have on hand right now is the fine, so that's what I'm gonna use. And then 2 teaspoons of, it calls for finely ground coffee. And I'm actually just going to use some espresso powder because this is what I've used in the past and I like it in recipes. So hopefully it should be fine. But I think instant coffee would work well too. It doesn't call for instant. It's just regular, let's see, 2 tablespoons ground coffee. So it doesn't say instant, but I'm betting you could use that too. So that should be about 2 tablespoons there. And then all of these, we need 1 tablespoon. Did I put 2 in there? Yeah, okay. So, and then I put my brown sugar in here for safekeeping. Okay, so chili powder. There we go. And oregano. Get my lid back on. Let's see if I can pop this off of there. There we go. We'll just put the whole thing in. Close enough. Need to buy some more oregano. Alexa, add oregano. Okay, garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. That might be a little more than 1 tablespoon. And then, that's not the right lid. And then we just need a teaspoon of cumin. We also need a teaspoon, give or take, as you can tell, a teaspoon of ground black pepper. I'm going to put a little extra in because I do love pepper. So this gift is probably going to me. Let's see, what did I do with the little thing that goes in here? Did this have one? I know it did, didn't it? Oh well. Let's see, I need a whisk. Where are you, Whisk? Here's a baby one, we'll use this one. All right, so I'm just gonna whisk it all together. Oh, it smells so good. So good. Chili powder, paprika. All right, so I am going to push those out of the way. Now, I have these little containers that I got, I think I got these at the Dollar Tree, but they're really cute and they're magnetic, so they can go on the fridge. They can repurpose these later after they've used the coffee rub. But I also liked it because it has a clear top on it. So what I'm gonna do for that, before I fill it up, because I might spill it, I'm gonna go ahead and do this part first, is I printed out some vintage photographs, if you can see. So let's see which one's going to fit. Probably will use the smaller one. I already used one just to see if it was going to work, if I had to reprint them, and I think I did okay. So I'm just going to use my marker here, and I'm just going to kind of mark around the outside. And then when I go to cut, I'll just trim a little to the inside. And hopefully it will work. Uh-oh. Let's try this again. If I didn't cut it too. Nope, I still need to cut a little more off. Does this one fit? I need to trim a little more. A little more. Now will it fit? There we go. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is get rid of my trash. And I got some of these little glue dots here. So I'm just going to take a couple of these. Oh, wait. I almost forgot. I want to color these. So I've got some watercolor markers here that I'm just going to color the Christmas tree in, I think. So one of these photographs, and I just grabbed these off of Google. These are not my photographs. One of them already has a little bit of color. It has that kind of vintage red color there. I'm just coloring in the Christmas tree on both of these. And I like to use a couple of different shades of green. And it doesn't have to be like, you don't have to stay in the lines or anything like that. I just like throwing a little bit of color on the tag. I think it's pretty. Let's try this one. See how it looks so much better with 2 colors versus 1? Did I mark all over myself? Not yet. There we go. I'm going to put a little more of the light green right here. I love these markers. They blend together. Okay, now we can use our glue dots. I'm just going to put one probably like on each side in the tin right there. So then one on the other side. I just want to make sure that it's not showing through on the plastic there. And even if it is a little bit, it's okay. We're going to put a bow on there. So let's pop this little girl in there. There we go. Just going to kind of push it against the glue dots just to make sure it's secure. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other one here. And there we go. So now we can put our rub in here. I might even have some left over. Maybe not though. I think we might have the exact amount we need. I hope. I hope I don't have to get another container out. Close enough. Okay. Place the lids. There we go. So now I just need to put a little bow on each one of these. And I might, if you do this anyway, I probably won't fix it. But what I would do is I might put more glue dots around there. I would try to get that closer to the top of the lid so that it looks like some of the rub is already kind of floating around in there. So we're just going to put a little bow on here and a little bow on here. There we go. How cute are those though? And you could even do like personalized pictures. You could do them of your family members if you wanted. So I think they're super fun, and I think they're really fast, cute, affordable gift that you can make. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with another gift recipe. Bye.